We're going to start with number 1 by underlining our first 2 vowels. This first vowel is a vowel team, so it will be underlined together. Then we draw our bridge. We label our consonant. Then we divide using our pattern. We're going to see if this works as an open. See, saw. That's correct. So we're going to label this as a vowel team. And then our AW at the end will be underlined together as a diphthong. And our word is seesaw, seesaw. Our next one, we're going to underline our first 2 vowels, label our vowels, draw our bridge, label the consonants, and then we're going to try our first pattern. And then we're going to look at the end and we're going to notice that we have our magic E, so we're going to underline that vowel. And then right here we have a TR that's going to be swooped together. And then we're going to draw our bridge, label our consonants. We're going to divide our pattern. And so we know that this is a magic E. Then we're going to go con, that is closed, sen, that is closed. So our syllable types are closed, closed, and magic E. We're going to read the syllables: concentrate, concentrate. All right, our next one, we're going to underline our first 2 vowels. This vowel is a diphthong. So we're going to underline it together, draw our bridge. We're going to label our consonant. We have a VCV pattern, so we're going to try the first way first. And so we're going to see if that sounds right. Profound, and it does. So our first syllable type is an open, and our second syllable type is a diphthong. All right, number 4, we're going to underline our first 2 vowels, draw our bridge, label our consonant. We're going to try our line after the A because of our VCV first. Then we're going to label our second vowel, draw our bridge. This ST is going to swoop together as one consonant. So then we're going to try our line here. So with our line after the A, that would make it an open, majestic. And that doesn't sound right. So we're going to try behind the J, making it closed, majestic. And that also doesn't sound right. So we're going to put our line back after our A, and we're going to label that as a schwa. Then we're going to go on to our next jest. That's going to be closed, ick, and that's also going to be closed. So our syllables are majestic, majestic. All right, number 5, we have a Y at the beginning, so we're going to label that as our first vowel. We're going to label our vowels, draw our bridge, label our consonant, and then we are going to try our dividing after the first vowel. We're going to go and we're going to label our second vowel, and we notice that our second vowel is in bossy R, so it will be underlined with the R. Label our consonants. We're going to divide that. And then we're going to try this to read it as open, cylinder. That doesn't sound quite right, so we're going to put our line behind the L and see how that sounds as a closed, cylinder. So we're going to keep our line behind the L, label that first syllable as closed, in our second syllable as closed, and R-E-R as bossy R, so it's going to read cylinder. Number 6, we're going to look and we're going to notice that we have a suffix at the end. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to circle our suffix. If I close that suffix, I know that I have my base word. And at the end of my base word, I notice that I have a consonant LE. So I'm going to circle my consonant LE. Then I'm left with gin. I'm going to underline my vowel. I'm going to label that as closed. I'm going to label my suffix. And I'm going to label my consonant LE. And this is the finished page.